And if this position is regular, intern, or IT position, we will hire this employee called Mr. Richard. Related to the recruitment module. For example, I am a manager. Okay, I am a manager. I am leading. Again, in this position, I'm going to input position attributes. Either you can input in the job rec and default into that will approve the position. Manager, are you? Why do we need a position in your organization? Position stands for it holds
And is it same for international
base country India. Okay, this is short term. Employee has permanently moved. Okay, in that case, travel to any other country as per the legal rules, that employee must have certain insurance of the payroll.